This is my 1993 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 that I just picked up. It's a black metallic color. Interior is in decent condition. There are no cracks on the dash whatsoever. It needs some work, but I just pulled it out of the garage and I gave it a quick clean to get off all the dust and shit that was on the paint. Now I'm gonna put it back in the garage to store it until I get all the parts together that I need to fix it up. It has a leaky water pump, and while I'm changing the water pump, I might as well just change the OptiSpark, spark plug wires, spark plugs, and all the seals and gaskets that are on a timing chain cover. But other than that, it's in pretty good condition, and really looking forward to bring it back on the road. It has been standing around since like 2011, so nearly 7 years. It has 163 kilometers on it right now. That will be like 100,000 miles, which really isn't that much. And the engine, it runs okay, I guess, but there's some kind of ticking noise. I don't know if it is misfiring or if there is some leak in the exhaust. I don't know if you can see or hear. Hang on, I just turned on the lights. So I really just gave it a quick wash. Just a little water and soap, no waxing, no polishing, and it's looking already in good condition. There are some scuffs and things, but I don't really care about that. I don't know if you can hear it from here, but there's some kind of ticking noise. Maybe from underneath. Might be the exhaust manifolds or something like that, but we'll see about that. But it looks pretty cool, and since I'm not doing any work lately on the Trans Am, I decided to pick up this Camaro and put some work into this one. It's gonna be fun, so stay tuned. I'll be uploading my progress, and yeah, see you soon.